Hey kids, friends, welcome back to Kids Learning Channel. Today we are going to learn about healthy and junk food. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, let's talk about healthy food. These are the foods that make our body strong and happy. Look at all these yummy fruits like apples, banana and berries, and check out the veggies like carrots, broccoli and spinach. Healthy foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help us grow and stay active. Plus, they taste amazing. Now, let's talk about junk food. These treats might taste good, but they are not so great for our bodies. Chips, candies, and soda are fun sometimes, but they don't give us the nutrition we need. Eating too much junk food can make us feel tired and not so great. It is okay to have a treat once in a while, but it is important to balance it out with healthy choices. The key balance: enjoy your favorite treats in moderation and make sure to fill your plate with lots of healthy options. Your body will thank you. So next time you are choosing a snack, remember to pick foods that help you stay strong and happy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun videos from Kids Learning Channel. See you next time.